Hello, and welcome to a new tutorial video about the Care C24 software. In this video, we will learn how to create, view, and delete remedies, as well as explore the features the software offers to generate remedies more efficiently. So let's go. When opening the C24 software, we will navigate to the Remedies section from the system's main menu. The system will display a detailed view of the Remedies section, organized into several parts, whose functionalities we will explain next. Before we begin, let's learn how to search for and view a remedy in the system. You'll find several helpful options. Search bar: if you need to find a specific remedy, you can use the search bar. For example, by typing the name acidity, the system will display all remedies in the list that are related to that term. Search filters: the system also offers various filters for more specific searches through the following options. By default, this option displays the most common remedies based on homeopathic rates provided by the system. By default. By user, this option shows the remedies that you, as a user, have created while using the software. Filter by letter: if you prefer to search for remedies based on the first letter of their name, you can use this option. Through a drop-down menu, select a letter, and with a simple double click, the system will display all remedies starting with the selected letter. To see the content of a remedy, simply double-click on it in the list. Detailed information, such as the remedy's name and creation date, will then be displayed at the top of the table. The table will show the rates that make up the remedy, including details such as rate code, name, potency, radionization method, level, and complement. Additionally, you will find a counter indicating the total number of rates included in the selected remedy. To create a remedy, double-click on the New Remedy button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for the remedy. For this example, we will use the name Test01. Once created, search for the remedy using the available search options. Then, select the remedy from the list and double-click on it. The system will display the basic information about the remedy, but you will notice that the table's content will be empty. To add content to the remedy, use the Rate section provided by the system. Click on this section, and the rates organized by categories and subcategories will appear. You can also use the search bar to find a rate by its name. Select the rates you want to include in your new remedy. To add them, simply double-click on each one. If you attempt to select the same rate again, the system will notify you that it has already been added. To verify the rates included in your remedy, click on the Remedy option. The system will display a table containing all the rates you have selected. Once you have made all the necessary changes to the remedy, make sure to click the Save Changes button to save the modifications in the system. When you select a rate for the remedies you have created, you will notice that the selected rates already have a default potency and method assigned. If you wish to modify this information, select the rates you want to edit from the table and click the Potentiation button. This will open a window with several options. Number of selected rates: here you will see how many rates you have chosen to modify. Apply to allows you to specify whether the changes will apply only to the selected rates or to all the rates in the remedy. Potency input: enter the new value in an integer numeric format. Method and level inputs: select these through a drop-down menu to modify the potency and level. Once you have made the changes to the potency, method, and level. Click the Apply button to save the modifications. If you decide not to make any changes, you can click the Cancel button to discard them. In this same section, you can find other options to manage the remedy's rates. Duplicate. This button allows you to duplicate a rate. For example, if you want to duplicate the rate named Boronia, simply select the rate with a click, and then press the duplicate button. You will see that the system creates an exact copy of the selected rate. Delete. This button is used to delete a rate from the table. To do this, select the rate you want to delete with a click, and then click on the Delete button. The system will remove the corresponding rate from the remedy. If you want to delete a remedy you have created, follow these steps. Select the remedy you want to delete by clicking on it. Click the Delete Remedy button. The system will automatically update the list of remedies to reflect the changes made. During this tutorial, you may have noticed that there are additional options related to the remedy that have not yet been explained. Below is a detailed description of each function. Autosimile, neutralize, 10 seconds timer, copy, decode code, and direct treatment. These functions activate various processes in your quantum care machine, including applying the remedy, storing it on your ECS card, or neutralizing a substance as needed. Autosimile. To execute this function correctly, place a patient sample in the right cup of your machine. Click the Autosimile button in the software. A progress bar will appear, and upon completion, a confirmation message will be displayed. This process generates a rate corresponding to the specific frequency of the patient sample, which will be displayed in the remedy table along with the rate for that frequency. Neutralize. If you have used the left cup of your machine to print a remedy using the 10 SEC timer function. To clean the cup, select the Neutralize function in the software and click it. A progress bar will appear, indicating the cleaning process. Upon completion, a confirmation message will indicate that the left cup is ready for another remedy printing with the 10 SEC timer function. 10 seconds timer, to print the remedy with the rates in the right cup. Click the corresponding button in the software. A progress bar will appear. The machine will receive the rates and print them in the right cup. Upon completion, a confirmation message will appear. Once finished, the remedy will be ready to use for the patient. Code. If you wish to store the contents of a remedy on the ECS card inserted into your machine, click the corresponding button in the software. A progress bar will appear. A red LED on your machine will light up, indicating the process. Upon completion, notification will confirm success, and the LED will turn off. Decode. If you wish to delete a remedy stored on the ECS card inserted into your machine, click the corresponding button in the software. A progress bar will appear. A green LED on your machine will light up, indicating the process. Upon completion, notification will confirm success, and the LED will turn off. Copy. After printing the remedy in the left cup, if you wish to make a copy of that remedy, click the corresponding button. The machine will copy the rates printed in the left cup and transfer them to the right cup. Upon completion, a confirmation message will indicate that the copy has been successfully completed. Direct treatment. If you do not wish to print the remedy in the right cup and want to apply it immediately, first, ensure the electrodes are connected to your machine. Click the corresponding button in the software. A pop-up window will appear, requesting the treatment duration in minutes. Enter integer values to specify the duration. A progress bar will indicate the treatment duration. Upon completion, a confirmation message will appear. Complementary code. To generate an inverse frequency for your rate, select the desired rate for which you want to generate its inverse code. Click the corresponding button to start the process. Once completed, the inverse code will be generated. Finally, click Save Changes to save the code to the system. In the Analysis section, there is a feature that allows you to convert an analysis into a remedy. To complete this process, follow these steps. Navigate to the Application menu and select the Analysis option. Double-click on the analysis you want to transform into a remedy. Click on the Save and Create a Remedy button. A pop-up window will appear where you can assign a name to the new remedy. After entering the name, click Accept. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the remedy has been successfully created. Go to the Remedies section. In the search filters, select the By User option. In the resulting list, you will find the analysis converted into a remedy with the name you assign. That's all for this video. I hope it has been helpful in understanding how to perform remedy using the CareC24 software. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. See you in the next video. Goodbye.